Good afternoon, everyone. Blessings to all you beautiful people. It's a new day, new beginning. We get a chance to wake up in the morning feeling rejuvenated, looking for the best day forward. It's a time to give all praises to your higher power. Yes, indeed. For everyone who believes in yourself, I have faith in you. I know times get rough sometimes, but you have to keep pushing it and always believe in yourself. Everything is temporary. Nothing lasts forever. Me living in this van has gave me great opportunity to learn who I am and become a better me. I'm so proud of myself. You know, you can be proud of other people. It's cool, man. Some people make you so proud. But when you're proud of yourself and you can pat yourself on the back and look in the mirror and say, I'm so proud of you. Man, that's the best feeling in the world. Just knowing you can be proud of yourself for your accomplishments and your goals and setting out to become exactly who you were meant to be. I know for a fact I am who I was meant to be. I know that I'm still striving to become the best version of myself, but it feels very, very good. I mean, it feels very good inside, all up in here, when you don't have any negativity in your life. Just like I drive this road full of bumps. You're gonna have bumps to come in front of you in life. But as them bumps come, you just keep rolling over them. You might have to align yourself at some point, but don't worry. Get the alignment and keep pushing. Your alignment is when you pray to your higher power and ask for help. When you put forth an effort to move in a direction that you ask your higher power for. Because I'm a witness that I'm not being steered wrong at all. And if I am being steered wrong, right now it feels so good being steered wrong. If I'm being steered wrong, maybe I'll see it in the long run. But right now, man, ain't shit shaking. I'm being steered in the right direction because I can feel it. Just like I can feel anything else, I can actually feel it. So I'm gonna keep running over these bumps, but I'm gonna slow down before I hit these bumps and slowly go over them and then keep on pushing. Yeah, let the truth be told. Feel me? Straight up. Yeah, man. This saying once was told to me. A bend in the road is not the end of the road unless you fail to make the turn. Let that sink in your spirit. I'm gonna repeat that. A bend in the road is not the end of the road unless you fail to make the turn. Let that soak into your spirit and understand. Apply it to your life. I'm Magic Man Wiz, and I'm still hitting bumps, and stuff is falling in the back. But I don't mind giving up the game of knowledge. I don't mind helping people. That's my purpose here. I found my true purpose. That's how come I can feel everything. Because feeling is my purpose. Yeah, man. Today's video is sponsored by Ogre Small 2-in-1 Cordless Hedge Trimmer and Grass Shears. It's a lightweight, easy-to-use tool designed for everyday garden maintenance. Perfect for trimming hedges, shaping shrubs, and cleaning up lawn edges. With dual 21-volt batteries for extended runtime, an adjustable cutting angle, and a compact, ergonomic design. And right here is detachable. You can just take it loose, hit the buttons on the side. And it also has this piece right here too. This short piece. Just comes loose. I put the cover back on. Comes with the cover as well. Put the short one back on. What you do is you connect it right here. And there you have it. Voila. Now I'm gonna use the short one. This is what it is right here. Yeah, man. Yeah. The Ogre Cordless Hedge Trimmer will be fantastic for summertime use. The link will be down in the description. And it comes with 2 batteries and a manual that I don't think that you would need. So guys, go into my description if this is a tool that you would love to have. It would be great for cutting your hedges and your neighbor's hedges also.
Good morning. Ooh-wee, man. This is what I woke up to. It's pouring down raining. Oh, wow. Ooh-wee, man. Oh, man. It's early in the morning, man. Let's go take a look. Oh, wow. I'm like a little kid looking out the window on a rainy day. Excuse my tent. Yeah, man. A rainy day. Well, after waking up to all the rain and bad weather, it was kind of cold in here. Didn't even have the AC on. So I had to turn the heat on just for a little while. And I'm hungry. Got that thing on just for a little while. Still raining outside. Hold it down. Hold it down. This should be good. Cook up this little breakfast. Here goes something else I'm about to probably mess up. Yeah, it's breakfast time. Breakfast time. Potatoes and eggs. Got better at this shit. Like for real.
I decided to cook this breakfast because I was real hungry. I had a dream about this last night, so I woke up and fixed it. Ain't nothing wrong with dreaming. That's where the success started, when you dream. Have many dreams and have many successful occasions. Yeah, this shit looking good right here. It's looking good. I finally know how to cook. Oh, them potatoes done. I did a good job this time. I really did a good job. Put a little lemon pepper on my potatoes. That shit good. Oh yeah. It's about that time. It's about to go down. Yeah, this is breakfast. Breakfast well eaten. And it tastes good. I'm getting better and better at this. Now it's time to clean up my mess. Fill my ice tray up after I clean it. And then get myself together. Even though it's raining outside, I still want to look good. Look good for myself, I guess. But I want to be ready for if I do decide to step outside and it stop raining. My stomach kind of full. I ate potatoes and eggs, and I think it was all right. Yeah, man. Get myself dressed. You know, after using my griddle, I feel kind of good. It's my second time using it, and I think I'm gonna be using it more often. It comes in handy, and plus I like it. I like it very much. So my cooking is getting better, and I think I'm gonna continue using it to cook on. It makes life so much easier. Clean it up just a little bit. Well, not a little bit. I'm gonna clean it up. You know. I had to wait till it cooled off before I was able to clean it up. It don't take that long to cool off either. Maybe 10 minutes at the most. It's my favorite appliance, really. This griddle. This is my favorite appliance. No lie. Now I gotta break it back down. And it cleans up with just dishwashing liquid and water. That's what I have in this bottle. The dish detergent. Breaks down real easy and simple. See? It's real simple. Real easy. Take it in, just slide it on in here. Boom. In there. Take the cord, put that in there, and booyah. Got a handy case, you just zip it. Just zip it on up. And just set that back right there. And this is my kitchen. I have my griddle, and I have my 2 pots. I make my beans in here, my rice in here, and whatever I'm cooking right here. It won't be meat, but it'll be something that I will cook. That's my kitchen, guys. Your lemon water. Yeah.
Successful out of the women's retreat to help other people interact and connect. I think this was a huge opportunity. I'm putting on a successful retreat, but also like personal space.
Oh man, it's weird.
Being in these remote nature places and
My doors are locking and unlocking on their own.
Watch this. See the lock? See the lock? It's locked. Watch it raise up. My hands are not nowhere near it. Watch this. On his own. No keys in the ignition.
Those have a lot of power, so if we are driving it, it will charge the batteries in the back. And